In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your hosting or website. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly connect Google Analytics to your website, allowing you to track and analyze important data about your site's visitors and performance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's homepage. This is your starting point. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you're new to this, just look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. It's the main space where you can access all the tools and features Hostinger has to offer. From the dashboard, your next step is to find and click on the More option. This might be tucked away a bit, but it's generally located in the main menu or the side navigation bar. Clicking More will expand a series of options that further allow you to customize and enhance the functionality of your site. So take a good look around if you have some extra time. Next, click on Apps. The Apps section is incredibly useful, serving as a gateway to various third-party applications that can add extra features to your website. What you're particularly looking for is Google Analytics, one of the most popular and essential tools for any website owner. Just click on it to start the integration process. At this point, a Google Analytics page will appear. You'll need to click on Google Analytics ID. This is a crucial step as you'll be required to input a unique code specific to your account, usually a series of alphanumeric characters provided to you by Google Analytics. If you're unsure where to find your Google Analytics ID, head over to your Google Analytics account. In the settings, under Property Settings, you'll find your unique tracking ID. Enter your Google Analytics ID in the designated field on Hostinger. Once you've inputted the tracking ID, double-check to make sure there are no spaces or mistakes, as this can prevent proper tracking and data collection. After you've entered your ID correctly, select the Save or Update option to ensure all your changes are safely stored. Now that you've linked Google Analytics to your Hostinger website, you're all set. With these tools in place, you'll have real-time insights into who is visiting your site, where they're coming from, and how they're interacting with your content. It doesn't just stop at numbers. Use this data to tailor your content and improve the user experience continually. And that's it for our guide on integrating Google Analytics with a Hostinger website. With just a few clicks, you've equipped yourself with a powerful analytics tool that will take your website to the next level. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing!